In this video, I'm going to teach you the best way to get up and running selling on Amazon.com as a Canadian. I'm going to show you how we are set up generating over $1 million a year in Amazon sales. I'm going to show you how you can avoid the most amount of fees possible when selling on the US Amazon.com marketplace as a Canadian resident. Let's get into it. What's up guys, my name is Mike Sieben. I am a 7-figure Amazon seller, the founder of Elite Wholesale, and a coach to hundreds of students. Today's video, we're going to be talking about how to set yourself up as a Canadian resident in the best way possible to sell on Amazon.com. So the very best thing about this video is I'm going to show you exactly how we are set up and successfully selling thousands of products a month on Amazon.com. And I'm going to show you what I recommend on actually how to get yourself set up and ready to go. So the very first thing that you're going to need to worry about is going to be a corporate entity, right? So this is the business that you set up that is actually going to shield you personally from the tax and the legal side of running a business. So if anything goes wrong within this business, you are safe, your family is safe, your assets like your house, your vehicles, all of that type of stuff is absolutely safe. So as a Canadian, I highly recommend just setting up a corporation. So this can either be a provincial corporation or a federal corporation. A lot of people do recommend to go out and get a US LLC or other company. The biggest reason why I recommend staying away from this is going to be the simplicity of doing taxes and the simplicity of the legal side of things, right? There's so many available resources for us as Canadians to actually get our corporation set up. We can go to our local registry, we can contact a lawyer if we don't already have one. They can also help you get set up with a legal entity. But at the end of the day, you want to separate yourself from that business that you're ultimately creating and make sure that you are set up in the absolute best way possible right from the beginning. The next thing that you're going to need is going to be a US based bank account. There's many different options that you can choose when it comes to this. I believe all of the 5 major banks will have US based entities. For example, BMO has BMO Harris, TD Canada Trust has TD in the US. But my favorite one, and the one that I'm gonna walk you through right here, is called Wise. Wise is a 100% online bank. And so if we pop over to my screen here, you can see I'm just over at wise.com. As you can see, Wise is 6 times cheaper internationally to have as an account, right? So as we scroll here, we can see that it's available for us as Canadians, right? So we can send money cheaper and easier. We can spend while we're abroad by actually getting a Wise card. This is like a debit card, and we can receive payments in 10 different currencies, right? Then we can convert and hold up to 53 different currencies. So the biggest thing about Wise is that you can actually create a Wise account under your business. You can actually put this into your Amazon seller account, also called Amazon Seller Central, and Amazon will actually deposit all of the revenue that you generate directly into that Wise account. Best thing about this is you now have your US dollars from selling on Amazon.com directly in this account, and it's up to you whatever you would like to do with it, right? One huge tip: please do not go to your local bank and ask for a US dollar account and put those details into Amazon. What Amazon actually does is they will convert that currency from US to Canada because they recognize that there's a Canadian based account associated, and then your bank will convert that back into US dollars. So you're getting hit with exchange fees 2 separate times. This could be anywhere up to 4.5% or even 5% of your total deposits will be to exchange fees right off the bat. So please, I urge you, do not just sign up for a Canadian US dollar account. Do something like Wise and save yourself the most amount of fees possible. All right, before we move on, if you guys are enjoying this content, please make sure that you smash that like button. Also, make sure you're subscribed down below if you are not already. It's completely free to do and it helps out this channel more than you could ever know. So if you've gotten any value out of this at all, please make sure to go and do those things. Let's get back into it. Hopping back to the screen here, we're just taking a look at Wise. They have absolutely no hidden fees and their exchange rate is actually live. So as you can see, if we were to convert from Canadian to US, or more commonly, what we're gonna do is convert from US to Canadian, right? So in here, we can just write Canadian. And as we can see, we have a guaranteed live rate. So it's 1.30 at the time of filming this video, which means if you're converting from US to Canada, it's actually a great rate right now. But as you can see, transferring this money will cost you about $1.60 if you're transferring $1,000. Wise is going to charge their fee. They're very transparent with the fees that they charge. And then they're going to tell you what your live exchange rate is, as well as what the recipient or you is actually going to be getting in this case. And they'll tell you exactly when this money is going to arrive. So this is a fantastic tool, and the fees on this, to give you guys an example, we usually pay about 0.4 to 0.5% exchange fees comparatively to some other banks and other institutions will charge anywhere from about 1 to 4% in order for you to exchange your money. So significantly cheaper than any other option currently on the market. As a bonus for you guys, there's a link down below. If you follow that link and you sign up for a Wise account, you will actually receive your first transfer completely free of charge when you're converting from US to Canadian in our cases, just by signing up and using that referral link. All right, so now we've hopped from creating our corporate entity, getting that US bank account. Now we need to get ready and actually set up our Amazon Seller Central account. This is going to be the third and final step in our process to get set up to sell on Amazon.com as a Canadian. And basically all we have to do is we just have to navigate over to sellercentral.amazon.ca. As you can see on the screen here, I'm here, and all you're gonna wanna do is click that sign up button. So obviously I already have an Amazon selling account. So in the top right corner, you're gonna click that sign up button. Once you're all signed up and ready to go, you're going to need a few different documents, right? So in my opinion, it's best practice to just take out about 30 minutes to an hour out of your day and have everything that you might need on your desk, on your table, and ready to go physically, right? So a few different things that you're gonna need is personal identification, all of your business documents. You're gonna need a utility bill with your name on it. You're gonna need to have the information for your business bank account, and you're gonna wanna make sure that you have a second form of ID available and ready to go. You want all these things sitting out, ready to go in front of you when you go and click that sign up button. It's a very straightforward process, and Amazon will walk you through the different steps that you need to get signed up for that account. And then once you're signed up with an Amazon Seller Central account, you've put in all of your US based Wise banking information, you are now officially set up and ready to go to sell on the Amazon.com platform. Congratulations, you are all ready to go. And this has been my preferred way to set up an Amazon selling account as a Canadian resident so that you can sell on Amazon.com. If you guys like my content, please make sure that you smash that like button. As well, please make sure that you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell if you want to receive notifications about every single time that I post a new video. I have tons more Amazon content, guys, so make sure that you are subscribed. Go check out some of my other videos. And if you are interested in getting some more personalized support, head down to the link below. Join my completely free Facebook group that I put together that is full of valuable information, things that were gonna get you up and running in the Amazon FBA space, and to connect with a massive network of other like-minded individuals who are also looking to start their very own Amazon business. Other than that, that is all I have for you guys today. Take care and have a good day. Peace.